but still love a good story, then step aboard. Because Saugus Train Station is open and full of tales you can actually touch. For decades, the Saugus Train Station stood quiet in a drawer. But now, thanks to the local historical society, the silence has been shattered. Reopening is turning photos, kids wide-eyed at a real piece of history. One historical society rep put it best: this station isn't just wood and steel, it's a doorway to our community's memory. Built in the late 1800s, Saugus Station was a bustling hub, connecting people and commerce with a whistle and a wave. Did you know at its peak, it served hundreds of passengers a day? Pure eye candy for history buffs. Today, thanks to tireless volunteers, every beam and sign gleams like new. The station's alive again, memories are made, and the past feels close enough to touch. Have you ever visited a historic train station? Drop your stories in the comments below. All aboard for more adventures.